Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're looking to have your tea, coffee, or oatmeal on the go, then check out this portable tea kettle from Sekaer. One of my favorite things is how compact this electric tea kettle is. I recently went on a trip and I was able to put this in my carry-on bag. It's really neat that the cord itself fits inside the kettle, which allows you to save on space and also ensures that you do not lose the cord. One of my favorite options is to use it at the highest temp so that I can use it for tea or for my oatmeal when I'm traveling. Most hotels do come with a coffee maker. A lot of times I don't like to run the water through the coffee maker because you just don't know how clean the water is. So I love that I can pour my clean water into this kettle and have tea, coffee, broth, or my oatmeal whenever I would like. Simply plug it in to any outlet, choose your temperature option, and let it go. This is perfect for traveling on the go, but also if you're going to a space where maybe you will want tea or coffee or just hot water in general, you're able to have hot water when you need it. So if you're looking for a portable tea kettle that's lightweight, compact, and allows you to have hot water whenever you need it, then check out this portable tea kettle from Sekaer. And that's my point of view.